All right, folks, how you doing? Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're back here on the HWH 310 series, but most of them are very compatible once you learn. All right, so turn this around. I'll tell you the motor. We already did a couple videos, right? We did the electrical motor, told you how to troubleshoot it. Then I showed you, I tore it apart in another video and showed you the bad brushes. But I got to show you something else. The new motor came as a little different. The old motor had just an A2. The new motor, I'll put you on pause. The new motor had an A1 and an A2. Your A2 is always positive and A1's negative in case it ain't marked. So I got to run a cable from here to up under here for a nice ground. So I'm making a cable. I'm going to show you. So there's a couple's way to do it. You can buy this little device here. Here's the part number, YQK300 hydraulic pliers. Sorry, I was watching a cat there. Or you can get this by Temco. It's spring loaded. Watch. And you can beat on here with a hammer. What are you beating on? You're beating on these things. And notice they're labeled number 4. This is a 4 gauge wire, copper stranded. I don't use aluminum. So I already crimped this one. I use my hydraulic one. So I strip it back enough. Put the cable in there, and then we're going to crimp it, okay? So I'll put you on pause. Basically, I'll stick it in there, pump this handle, right? And it closes this and crimps it. All right, put you on pause. I'll get it done. All right, folks, so this. You can make custom battery cables with this and not have to pay $95 for each cable and all. All right, so pretty much that's it. So we're going to go back here real quick. I'll put you on pause, save a little bit of time on the video. All right, so I used 2 different eyelets, number 4s. You can get them in different sizes. And we'll try to put them side by side for you. There you go, see? So that one will go right here, and then this one will go up under here. Okay, so there's my ground, and my relay and all is over there. So now I'm going to put the ground on. All right, that's an 8mm, and this is a 19mm nut under here. All right, so I'll put you on pause. All right, folks, we're back. Let me get a flashlight here. Okay, so there's the ground cable, all right? It goes under here, nice and tight. I twist it a little bit because the bumper's got to go on. And this is where he has a 7-pin connector, 6-pin center. There's the relay in there. Let me get a little light on this. All right, so I know it's weird, but the red wire originally went to this grounding bar, so it grounds the relay coil. This one is up here, the small one. That is the gray wire coming out of the module up front saying, hey, activate the pump. And this is the battery positive cable here, the big one. And this one feeds your module, the power, the small one right there, okay? So I'm going to tighten all this up, and then I'm just going to go from here to there with a little jumper wire, and we're going to see if the motor works. All right, folks, I didn't realize what time it is. Time for me to become the house husband or whatever you call it. I like cooking dinner for my girl when she comes home. So we'll continue this video. I think this is for number 5 on the HWH 310 system hydraulic pump motor. We went through how to check it, how to check the relay, how to make a ground cable, how to make just a cable in the end. You know, it doesn't matter what size of grommet you use or what diameter of the cable. You can make your own battery cable. It's cheaper. You can own the stuff to make it, and then you pick up some side money fixing other stuff for other RVers. But we got the pump motor working and everything, but we're going to go over it step by step with you. So thank you again. Remember, what's the motto of RV Diagnostics? Let's turn off this light. Yeah, break my balls. There you go. It's test, not guess, folks. You're right. Test, not guess. So I'm going to go in here where it's a little warmer. Show you what's going on. I got my grow garden going. I brought in some of the flowers from my wife. And well, this is called Black Eye Susan. It's from Maryland, which we're on the borderline of Maryland and Delaware. This is a special rose. There's some herbs growing back there, and I can never remember what these are. Hold on. Petunias or hibiscus plants. So I have in bloom all year, but we got 2 more of them. We're going to put up a 4-foot irrigation hydroponics garden right here. So I'll be showing you the update on that. Yep, this is the RV Diagnostics office. Let me set my butt down here. So, a couple ways to get a hold of me, isn't it? I look like the Orange Man right now, but anyway, it's red and blue light, growing lights. So, folks, the website www.rvdiagnostics.com. It's a paid membership. It's getting ready to go up to $150 a year, but still, that's like $12 and a couple cents a month. That's nothing. I help you save that the first time you use it. Right now, it's $118. I think this is like November the 4th, 2021. So it's going to go up eventually because everything's going up now since 2021. We'll leave it at that. The other place is the YouTube channel, which you're looking at right now. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, put some comments in there. You know what I mean? Hey, I didn't quite understand that one part. Believe it or not, I get back with you. And the other place is the ever-growing 22,000 plus members in 40 months, I think. It's getting ready to hit 23,000. The RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting Facebook page. All right. Anytime you see me on there and I say, hey, hi, I'm Jeff, the founder of RV Diagnostics, let's chat. And I'll say, hey, let's chat about your slides, or whatever you were asking a question on. I'll pull you on the side on Facebook Messenger and I'll talk to you. So, what's the other one? How you get a hold of me? The email, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. Now, you want my telephone number, you join the website, because here's the next thing you can do. I actually have a RV repair garage, which you know of, and I have a school. So for these people that are full-timing and they don't have no stick-built house or whatever, if you're on the East Coast, let me know ahead of time. You can stop by at 22480 Biloxim School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Just don't show up, folks. That's not polite. I have a lot of RVs to fix. I'm at my house. I'm a private mechanic. It is a business. But what we can do there is pull you in. We got 50 amp service in the back, water, sewage. There you go. What else more you want? And in the garage, I don't have sewage in the garage, but I got water, and I have 30 amps in the garage. I'm getting ready to put 50 in here. I had to use the other 50 for my hot tub I put in for my bad back. And some of you know I just come out of back surgery June the 16th, so I'm doing pretty good for 62. And what else you gonna do, right? Anyway, so if you want to come by and learn about your RV, I'll go over everything. Yes, there's a cost for you staying back here every night on the 50 amp service. I think it's like $30 a night. Okay, no killer. The other one is when we're in the garage, you have to pay a minimal fee. We'll talk about it. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to make you do most of the work. You're just using what I've gained as knowledge, which you can write down. You can take your phone and video me doing and helping you. I have no problem with that. Okay, folks? So, thank you. Once again, what's the motto of RV Diagnostics? You're right, folks. Test, not guess. If you don't know how to do it, I'll help you step by step. The other one I always say to people, safe travels. May your campfire burn bright until the next time we see you on the road or campground or the next video. I'm out of here.